I'm Steve Hawkins, President and CEO of Horizons ETFs Canada. Today is October 17th, 2018. We're so happy this day is finally here. This is a new time for cannabis in Canada and for us from a worldwide perspective. You know, Canada has been a leader in the cannabis space right from the very start, approving medical marijuana many years ago. We've seen significant growth in this space in Canada, and now here we are today, finally approved recreational. There's so many good things that can happen from here, and so we're very much looking forward to what's going to take place tomorrow. Canada has been a world leader in the cannabis space, and now that with this federal approval coming through, you know, we think this is great for the world. The financial benefits to the Canadian economic marketplace, as well as the worldwide marketplace. You know, Canada is a leading provider of marijuana and will be to all of the world going forward from here. So the global expansion of marijuana really starts here with Canada. With Canada being a leader in cannabis specifically, you know, Canada was also a leader in cannabis-based ETFs. So, you know, we launched HMMJ in April 2017, you know, with the first ETF in the world that provided exposure to the cannabis space. You know, our assets now over $1 billion of investable money into cannabis companies makes us the world's largest asset manager in the cannabis space right now. You know, we're so excited with the investor enthusiasm that have been behind coming into the cannabis space and to HMMJ specifically. You know, it also required us to think about what's going to happen in the future and people looking at different ways to access the space. So then we created a new ETF earlier this year, HMJR. It was launched in February of 2018, which provides more access to these small cap, but just the production, cultivation, distribution companies themselves. So you have to be a licensed producer to be an HMJR. Whereas HMMJ provides a much more broader investable base, including the large cap companies that investors have really benefited from. You know, HMMJ now is really the world benchmark for investing in marijuana. When you're looking at the performance of a marijuana company, you're comparing it to its benchmark, and that is HMMJ. You know, we talked a little bit about Canada being a leader in the cannabis space. You know, we are now, this is a worldwide change with respect to the acceptance of cannabis. And here we are, Canada being a world leader again with cannabis investing. Now we have the medical marijuana approval, and now ultimately recreational approval. There really isn't a next step from here other than the globalization of this industry. You know, we see the medical benefits of marijuana. We see the potent financial opportunity with respect to the government participating in this industry. And we see the removal of this historical stigma that has been around cannabis. And these are all really positive things for the cannabis industry going forward.